We built Uboost with a goal to make DeFi accessible and frictionless for a growing community of crypto users across the globe. Uboost is building an interface layer over various DeFi protocols and making it a seamless experience for consumers to access DeFi services. Our first version of dApp is live now, and users can borrow flash loans from Uniland Finance for market making on the Ethereum, Polygon, and BSC network. Uboost allows over 9,000 plus ERC20 assets to use flash loans on more than 7 DEXs at present. In the current tutorial, we will lead you to the dApp functioning on how to use flash loans. Here, we will demonstrate flash loan borrowing of UFT liquidity from Uniland and pair with ETH to perform market making on QuickSwap DEX. Select the connect button on top right to get wallet options. Uboost supports MetaMask and more wallets will be added in future. Now switch your network to Polygon from the top right corner. At present, Uboost supports Ethereum, BSC and Polygon. Also, make sure that same network is selected on your wallet. Uboost app allows user to select default liquidity pools or other pool through custom token address on Uniland. Over here, you also see the available liquidity of asset on Uniland. This is the number of tokens available for uncollateralized borrowing via flash loans. Once the primary token is selected, we need to select the paired token with the pool on DEX. In this scenario, we are pairing the UFT ETH pool on QuickSwap. Here, we are borrowing UFT tokens from Uniland to Uboost, and Uboost will perform swap of UFT with ETH on DEX. The swap happened twice, where UFT is swapped with ETH and then ETH is swapped again with UFT. You will require Uboost approval to spend your token. This is a one-time approval. If you borrow the same token again, this step will be skipped. In this example, put 100 UFT tokens, but we can borrow any number of tokens up to liquidity available on Uniland. This pop-up will show the fees. It may vary on different DEXs. Currently on QuickSwap, for one swap, the fee is 0.3%. Here, we are doing 2 swaps in one transaction, so total fees is 0.6%. Uniland Flash Loan fees is 0.05%. Please read more about Uniland fees on their documentation. Amazing! You have finished your first Flash Loan transaction. The transaction is submitted. You can view on Explorer more details about it. We are checking Polygon Explorer. It breaks the transaction into multiple operations that has been followed to boost 100 UFT tokens with ETH on QuickSwap. The last step also gives the details of fees distributed to Uniland Finance protocol. The Uniland Flash Loan is first integration on Uboost. It has the potential to break traditional finance with uncollateralized borrowing. At Uboost, we are rolling more updates soon. Stay tuned with us on Twitter